Hey, what's up, guys? Next episode, we're doing a tweeter installation on the TSX. So I already took them out. Tried recording with my Meta glasses. Audio was jacked up, so we're doing it with the phone. We're doing it old school. Basically, to pry this out, get a flat head. Pry it on the bottom. This will pop out the clips right here. Just stick it somewhere, and then use a tool like this. You get them at Harbor Freight. So flathead just to get under there, or a hook, small hook, the pick set basically. Hook it down there. Wiring I will write down in descriptions. They vary by year, but yeah, this is how I have it. I did solder it. I just shoved everything in there just to see how it looked. But basically, don't drop these wires after you pull it off. I clipped them. And I'll tell you the polarity. It's going to be in the description, okay? For now, I'm just going to shove it in here. These, they say alpine, but I'm pretty sure they're fake. I got them off eBay for like 14 bucks. I saw another guy, he did a similar model, so that's what I bought. Alright, it's going to look really bad. I'm just going to shove it all in here for now until I figure it out, because they don't sit flush for... And in the video, he did show a razor blade, so he did cut into it. But this is how it looks like from the outside. Like that. They don't sit quite flush yet, so I gotta have to trim this a little bit. It's pretty close, like it'll drop kind of in. But yeah, kind of like that. But flush. Looks legit. Once it's all done. So it's hot right now in the garage. It's dark. I don't want to deal with it until tomorrow. There it is again. So gotta cut it. Sounds pretty good though. I did try to test it. Battery's off right now. But yeah, they sound good. Better than OEM. We're planning to upgrade the amplifier using the Hyphonics upgrade with the wiring harness. MB Cord, sorry. They changed the supplier of it. But yeah, if you Google TSX upgraded OEM amp, there's a guy that sells them. They're like $250, $300, I believe. Go with that. It's a plug and play solution if your amp's dying or you want higher wattage. I think stock's like 160. New ones are going to be, after the new amperage, is like 320 watt system. I am running a sub in the back. Sub, let me show you what's up. I run one of these. So they have the built-in amp. They're tiny. They hit pretty clean. I'm not trying to be like in high school where you run, do 12s in the trunk. I like having my trunk space. All right, hope that helps.